I can't get some food right, but
I've never had something complain in the middle of the night.
It's 5 o'clock. Yeah, I've been to bed though and we're back. Someone was getting it.
it's 4 o'clock in the morning,
It's
right?
5 o'clock in the morning.
5 o'clock in the morning, we need some food and we need to find Dennis phone. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. I just don't know what we're gonna do.
Oh, she's there.
We need to go.
Yeah, because you're only one floor up from there.
I don't know what we're gonna do. Just don't. I think like we need to go to sleep or something because I don't think we're gonna get any food at this time. I don't think we are.
I don't think it is.
We need to find Kevin's phone as well. We need to find some food at the same time. And some boys at the same time.
I've seen new girls. I've seen new girls and I've seen no lads.
Yeah, I've not
I
seen
heard
them.
lads shouting when we first come in now.
So Jenna, I just don't know what to do. I don't. I'm like, we need to find everything. We need to find food. We need to find Dennis phone. We need to find boys. Right, get the thing off now.
You'll regret this in the morning.
What?
You'll regret this in the morning. We'll be pissing ourselves.
So it's only use that. Right,